In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build your ideal project roadmap in Notion. Let's dive into how you can effectively organize your projects to ensure clarity and productivity. First things first, we need to create a projects database. Think of this database as the foundation of your roadmap. To get started, open your Notion app and create a new page. Label it as your projects database. Within this page, you'll want to create a table. This table will serve as a comprehensive directory for all your projects. Add columns such as project name, start date, end date, status, and priority. Feel free to include other properties that you consider essential for tracking your projects, such as project owner, client name, or any other specific details relevant to you. This database is crucial as it will enable you to have a quick overview of the projects you're working on, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Now that your project's database is up and running, the next step is to define your roadmap levels. Roadmap levels help categorize and prioritize projects, making it easier to manage workload and timelines. Consider the types of work you're involved in. Perhaps you have categories like personal projects, work-related tasks, or collaborative efforts. Create distinct areas in Notion for each of these levels. You can do this by making separate pages or sections in your project's database. In these sections, list out the relevant projects and include any specific tasks or goals associated with each project. This way, you'll have a clear view of what needs attention in each category. Having organized your projects into various roadmap levels, it's now time to visualize your roadmap timeline. This step is all about creating a more dynamic view of your project's progression over time. In Notion, you can utilize the Timeline View feature. Go back to your project's database and create a new view. Select the timeline option so you can visually map out your projects along a timeline. Assign start and end dates to each project so they appear accurately within the timeline. This visual setup provides a bird's eye view of all your projects, making it easier to spot overlaps, manage deadlines, and adjust plans as necessary. Remember to regularly update your project's database and roadmap. As tasks are completed or priorities shift, make the appropriate changes to reflect the current state of your projects. Consistent updates will ensure your roadmap remains an effective tool for project management. And there you have it. By creating a project's database, defining roadmap levels, and visualizing your timeline, you'll be well on your way to mastering project roadmaps in Notion. Embrace the flexibility Notion offers to tailor this roadmap to your needs, and you'll find yourself navigating through projects with enhanced efficiency and focus. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to leave your questions or comments below. Good luck with your project planning.